Aqui ele é a lei. Tchank, tira o chapéu. Tchank, tira o chapéu.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video for Scary Baboon. As you can see, there's something new. A lot has changed since I haven't played this game, and after a while, it's kind of nostalgic. Hey, look, look. I got you, Snicker Bieber. Alright, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, guys. So, as you can see from the screen, it's called the lab exploded. So, let's check out this thing first. And it's a cave that don't work. Can I go in? Nope. And I just got myself stuck in here. Give me one moment. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna parkour up here because this is loud. This is the cafeteria. A little parkour. Looks like there's a sky on top. I hope this is where the new map is at. Okay, I gotta be careful here because this is also. That will be the next map. Okay, I'm out. What is this? How many? Is this it? Is this really the whole map? This better not be a waste of my time, bro. Oh wait, I see something. But how do I get up? Oh, that's the bomb. Wait, there's an easier way right here. Okay, there we go. What? This is crazy. Sorry if you hear noises in the background. Is no way, right? Hold on. I want to say cut to me up there, but I want to do this and show you guys. What is this? Oh, nah. Get ready to fire in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is so cool. Is this like a battle royale? Welcome to something. No, wait. Oh, what? Nah. Animal company but guns? Wait a minute. I know this map. Yeah, I know this one. Oh. It just ascended to the heavens. This is cool though. Sorry for the heavy breathing. It's still kind of sick to the when I'm recording this. Mama's Tea Grocery. Where the dog? Oh, okay. God, this place isn't. Okay, clip another in about 15 seconds. Let me just. This door is something important. This door, I know for a fact this door is something important. Shoot down the planes! so cool though. I love the mechanic. It's kind of glitchy, but I think you can use this. Devs, this house is floating. I bet you there's people already trying to get themselves out of here. What does this say? I cannot read that. But this is so cool. And the Statue of Liberty. So cool. I love this already. I love the new update. I'm probably gonna play by myself without recording. But this is so cool. I love the aesthetic about this. Well, I guess that'll be it. Well, at least I think that's it. I think that's all the map changes. Oh, what's this? Lab exploded update. I'm not gonna read that. I'm guessing there's supposed to be a character here. Oh my god, there's a tank? No way, there's gotta be a tank. Found secret files. Find all secret files on the surface to receive the baboon statue set. I'm gonna do that on my own time. I guess, oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, I guess that's it for the. I guess that's all the updates for today. Well, I guess without, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. This update's crazy. I hope you guys go check it out. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and as always.